If you're seeing the Facebook error message that says the page is not available, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. This is a common issue, and it can happen because of a temporary loading error, a weak internet connection, or even a browser cache problem. So stay with me and let's fix it step by step. And before we get into it, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this one. First, try the simplest fix. Refresh the page. On your keyboard, just press F5 or click the refresh button in your browser. Sometimes Facebook just needs a moment to reload properly, and a simple refresh is all it takes. If the page still says it is not available, the next thing you should do is check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is working, or switch to mobile data if you're on a phone. A weak or unstable connection can stop Facebook pages from loading correctly, so it's always worth testing your connection before moving on. If your internet seems fine and the error is still there, the next step is to clear your browser cache. Over time, your browser stores temporary files that can become outdated or corrupted, and that can cause loading problems on websites like Facebook. To clear the cache, open your browser settings, go to Privacy or Browsing Data, and remove cached files and cookies. Once that's done, close the browser completely and reopen it. Then try loading Facebook again. In many cases, this fixes the issue right away. If you're still getting the same message, try opening Facebook in a different browser or on another device. This helps you figure out whether the problem is with Facebook itself, your browser, or your device. If it works somewhere else, then the issue is likely local to your browser settings. You can also try logging out of Facebook and signing back in, because sometimes a fresh login can clear up access errors. Another thing to keep in mind is that the page you're trying to open may actually have been removed, deleted, restricted, or made unavailable by the owner. So if the refresh, connection check, and cache clearing do not work, the problem may not be on your side at all. Still, the first 3 steps I showed you are the best place to start, because they solve the majority of cases. So to quickly recap, refresh the page with F5, check your internet connection, and clear your browser cache. Those simple steps often fix the Facebook page is not available error in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy fix. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.